Hi, I'm Dr. Mish. I'm here with Jeff. And Jeff, how long have you been coming here to the office?
About a year and a half now.
Okay. And how has chiropractic care been for you?
It's been great. When I first came, I noticed I was about 20 pounds on one side compared to the other side. So my back was out of alignment, and with now I'm within 5 pounds on one side or the other. So it's been a tremendous experience.
Excellent. Well, Jeff, let's go ahead and get you adjusted here. And make sure that you're straight here on the table. And start off by checking your hips. Checking for any tension, restriction there. And checking your sacroiliac joints. Okay. Checking out here your lumbar spine, Jeff. Checking for the areas of tension, subluxation where your spine isn't moving correctly and those nerves are getting irritated. Your spine's not quite lined up right. There's an area right here. Did you notice that that was tender or tight?
I haven't, no.
I'm going to bring your head up here, Jeff, just like so. Jeff, let's have you lay on that side, please. Shoulder go back. And let me have you sit right on up, please, Jeff. That adjustment there will help improve those nerves, those muscles in your lower back, keep them strong.
Very good.
Nerves to your intestines as well. And breathe out. All right. I'm going to make an adjustment right here. I'm going to have you lay on that side one more time, please. And Jeff, this adjustment here to improve the nerves of your sinuses, as well as improving that healing energy flowing right through your body. 1 hour's on. And so Jeff, what do you notice after you get adjusted?
Well, typically for me, I walk out and I'll start feeling better. Usually within hours of the adjustment. And I come every 2 weeks. So when I first started coming, I came here every week. So I've noticed an improvement ever since my arrival here. And I actually look forward to it because I've noticed just an overall improvement in my health.
Excellent. I love it.
Thank you, Dr. Mish, for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you, Jeff. Have a great day.